Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Quarter 3, Music and Arts 7, Lesson 2, Week 3 and 4 of Matatag curriculum. Let's begin. Week 3, Day 1. Learning competencies. Learning objectives. Activating prior knowledge, short review. Activity, Nationalism and the Arts in Post-War Philippines and Indonesia. Video number 1, Philippines National Anthem. Video number 2, National Anthem of Indonesia. Establishing lesson purpose. Lesson purpose. Activity, connecting post-war arts to nationalism. Establishing lesson purpose, unlocking content area vocabulary. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Subtopic 4, Reforming Arts Theater, Street Plays, Part 1. Video number 3, Indonesia Pusaka Versi Original, Ismail Marzuki, 1949.
Indonesia, tanah air pusaka awadian jaya. Indonesia sejak dulu tetapi puja-puja bangsa.
Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Video number 4, Bodabil, a documentary on Philippine art form.
For the first time after almost 500 years of a strict Spanish regime, the Filipino people encountered a lifestyle that was more open and flexible. Specifically, Manila became an Americanized city in the 1920s. Philippine entertainment has come a long way from its early colonial roots, and in time, saw the rise of an entertainment style that they could call their own. It was colorful, lively, and full of spectacle. It was the Bodabil.
Developing and deepening understanding. Lesson activity. Activity number 1. In focus, Senakulo. Video number 5. Brigda, Buhaying Mga Senakulista, Tampok sa Brigda.
May isang pagtatanghal daw na ginaganap dito sa bayan ng Cainta tuwing mahal na araw. Magagarbo ang props at mga kasuotan. Sinisimulan na ring ayusin ang entablado. Pero ang mga bida sa palabas na ito, hindi mga sikat na artista, kundi mga ordinaryong taong nagkakasundo sa isang panata.
Narito ang bunso mong sinisinta. Nalipos din ang tuwa at saya. Nalipos din naman ang tuwa at saya.
Di bagat iniluluhog kong lagi sa iyo ang pagtatapat sa iyong ina.
Week 3, Day 2. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Subtopic 4, Performing Arts Theater, Street Plays Part 2. Video number 6, Dalan, a documentary on Philippine theater.
Theater in the Philippines today is as varied as its cultural traditions and as colorful as the historical influences that shaped it. Among tribal communities unchanged by colonization, theater is found in rituals where the shaman representing the spirits kills a sacrificial pig, which stands for the supplicants who may pray for victory in war.
Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Guide questions. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Key ideas. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Activity, watch, read and write. Video number 7, Philippine Protest Theater Through the Decades. Video number 8, A Day of Revolution in the Philippine Theater. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for part 2 of Music and Arts 7, Week 4. Thanks for watching, and God bless.